Identify the formula relating density, mass, and volume. Density, d, is defined as mass, m, divided by volume. Vd equals m over v. Rearranging this formula to solve for volume yields. V equals m over d. Find the molar mass of mercury, Hg. Liquid mercury, Hg, has a molar mass of approximately 200.59 grams moles to the power minus 1, which can be found on the periodic table included in the exam booklet. For a quick mental estimation on Section 1, where calculators are not permitted, this value can be rounded to 200 g moles to the power minus 1. Calculate the mass of exactly 1 mole of Hg. Mass of 1 mole of Hg equals 1 moles times 200. G moles to the power minus 1 is equal to 200 g. Calculate the volume of 1 mole of Hg. Substitute the estimated mass, 200 g, and the given density, 14 grams ml to the power minus 1, into our rearranged density equation. V equals 200 g over 14 grams ml to the power negative 1 is equal to 100 over 7 milliliters, approximately 14.3 milliliters. This estimated volume is closest to 14 milliliters, which corresponds to option D. The correct answer is option D, 14 milliliters.